Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when still I make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up my clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I'm going to be making some barbecue chicken wings. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As you can see, the chicken wings have been cleaned and washed. So now I'm just going to go ahead and season it by first adding some garlic paste. Then I'm going to go in with a little adobo all-purpose seasoning. Not too much because you don't want the seasoning to overpower the barbecue taste. But you also want your chicken to have some flavor. But I tell you, there's nothing that irritates me more when we go to a restaurant. Most of the times it's the high-end restaurants, you order chicken wings and all it has is the sauce. There's no flavor to the wings. So next I'm going to add some Maggi chicken seasoning. Again, not too much. And I think that should be good enough. Yeah. And so now you're just going to rub the seasoning in. Alright, and then now I'm going to let this sit maybe for about 2 hours, and then we can start the cooking process. Alright, so before frying the wings, I'm going to flour them. So in a Ziploc bag I have some flour. I'm going to add some paprika, a little bit of Creole seasoning, some Goya adobo seasoning, and a little Maggi chicken seasoning, of course. And now I'm just going to mix these into the flour. Alright, now I'm going to flour the wings, so I'm just going to take each chicken wing and add them to the flour. So now I'm just going to close the bag, and I'm going to coat all the chicken wings in the flour. Alright, so I have my oil on the stove. It's already hot, so now I'm just going to start frying the chicken. Alright, so now that the chicken is done frying, as you can see, I'm going to put my barbecue sauce together. So I have some Capital City Mambo barbecue sauce. This is the mild version. Actually like this barbecue sauce a lot. And then I'm going to add some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. Mix them both together. I think I need some more. Alright, so now I'm just going to brush the barbecue sauce onto the chicken wings. Alright, so now I'm going to bake these in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 15 minutes. Alright, y'all, so that's the end result of our barbecue chicken wings.
Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a brother.